so hindi mo kailangan ng...
Yan o.
Kanino kayo mas magtitiwala? The thing is, we need to understand better na. In fact, although pwede pang konti na rin. Ito tama yung mga sino ba ng board? Huwag ka nalang kakain sa restaurant. At least have one present. So, mag-iisip siya, sino dito ang totoong ikaw? You respond. Hindi yung naging consistent lang ako. Lahat ng 50% discount. Oh, itutuloy mo ulit.
Or maintenance.
So, ang naging operating nila,
Sir, yung logistic
so, yung sa rejection ko namin.
So Filipino, even in coaching, we avoid the first E, eye contact. Yung kailangan ma-observe mo sa client. Safe space ang... Bakit yan? Kasi I'm planning to buy an additional... Oh!
Actually, sa akin,
Sa team, in the guise of...
This quarter pala, wala pa tayong ready.
Okay lang yan. Sige.
Na-address naman. Tema pala.
again,
Goal! Tingri!
Gusto ko kasing kumuha ng track.
Tatlo doon ha.
Para sa mga elements,
especially provincial.
Kliyente. Yes, okay.
Hindi sila I'm very happy naman na at this point, no, nakita ko naman na lahat.
Kasi Pangs na ba kayo? Bit lang mahal eh. Then, planuhin naman ko yan sa tatay ko. Bago luma na SE or SE. Ang meron lang dito. You were not placed in this role by accident. Yeah. Purpose, influence, with authenticity, and serve with joy. So, come ready. I'm honored to walk beside you in this journey of mastery. Let's begin your transformation. Starts now. Happy? Okay, come on, picture muna tayo dito. Come on, 10 chairs, 10 chairs. Picture taking. Hanggang ba kayo picture? Come on, friends.